Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a 3D intro video. So you can type here Penzoid and then here you can see penzoid.com. So this is the website that you can use and you can easily create intro video without any skills. Now you can go here and create a free account. So if you are doing it first time, then click on create a new account. After that you can fill out this detail. For example, I can add here username, enable website design. Then here I can add email, and after that I can add name. Then let me add password. So now let me scroll down and here you can see create free account. So it says password is weak. I can add some more detail. Okay guys, here you can see account is created. Now let me go and check my email. So now I need to confirm email. Alright, now my account is activated. So now simply scroll down and here you can see a lot of pre-made templates. You can easily use any of these. For example, this one. Then click on open button. And now here you can check it. Click on play button. And now if you want to change this text, you can go on the left side. And here you can click on the text. Then you can change. For example, I want to add this one, EWD. Then press enter. Now here you can see text is changed. In this way you can easily create intro video for your business.